So again, continuing on with 17.1, understanding polynomial expressions. And now we're going to be looking at explain 2. So writing polynomials in standard form. Okay, so the terms of a polynomial may be written in any order, but when a polynomial contains only one variable, there is a standard form in which it can be written. Okay, so the standard form of a polynomial containing only one variable is written with the terms in order of decreasing degree. The first term will have the greatest degree, the next term will have the next greatest degree, and so on until the final term has the lowest degree. So when written in this form, the coefficient of the first term is called the leading coefficient. Okay, so 5x to the fourth plus 4x squared plus x minus 2 is a fourth degree polynomial written in standard form. It consists of one variable, and its first term is 5x to the fourth. The leading coefficient is 5 because it is in front of the highest degree term. Okay, so let's go ahead and give one of these a try. So we're going to look at example number 2. Write each polynomial in standard form, then give the leading coefficient. And so for right now, I just want you guys to watch. Find the degree of each term and then arrange them in descending order of their degree. So 20x minus 4x cubed plus 1 minus 2x squared. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take 4x cubed. Okay, that's our highest degree. Our next highest degree is going to be a negative 2x squared. And then we're going to move to 20x. And then we have our constant. Okay, which is exactly how they wrote it. So they did negative 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 20x plus 1. The leading coefficient is going to be negative 4, which again is exactly what they had. Okay, and so let's look at B. Now I want you guys to go ahead and write with me here. Okay, so z cubed minus z to the sixth plus 4z. So we're going to find the degree of each term and then arrange them in descending order of their degree. So we have z cubed, well the degree there is 3, negative z to the sixth, the degree is 6, and 4z, the degree is 1. Okay, so in order to arrange that, we have to start with our highest degree, which is going to be 6. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3. And so we're going to start with negative z to the 6th, z cubed, 4z. Okay, so the standard form is going to be negative z to the 6th plus z cubed plus 4z. The leading coefficient is going to be a negative 1. So anytime there's a negative in front of a variable, or even just a variable on its own, we know that it equals 1z or negative 1z. So there's always that imaginary 1 in front of any variable without a coefficient greater than 1. Okay, so now let's take a look at, let's go ahead and do 10. Okay, so I'm going to go through and I'm going to look at our exponents. And so I have 2, I have a 1 here, I have a 0 here, I have a 3, and I have a 4, and I have a 0. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start with 4 because it's our biggest. So we have 12b to the 4th. And then our next highest exponent is going to be plus 6b cubed. Okay, so I'm going to cross those out because I took care of those. Minus 3b squared plus 2b. And then we have a negative 7 and a positive 7. So if we have 7 minus 7, we're going to get 0. And so this is actually going to be my answer. My leading coefficient is going to be 12. So leading coefficient is 12. Okay.